Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to translate WhatsApp chat messages in all languages, in just a few simple steps. First, open the Play Store on your mobile. Install the Google Translate app. Once it's installed, open it. Then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on Settings to go into the Settings menu. Tap on Tap to Translate. Enable the Use Tap to Translate option. Also enable Show Floating Icon. It will ask for permissions. Enable it for all the apps where you want translation. Also enable Auto Translate Copied Text. Now the Google Translate app icon will be visible on your mobile screen. Now to translate a chat message, copy the message. To copy, long press the message in the chat. You'll see a copy option at the top. Tap on that to copy the chat. Then, the Google Translate icon will appear. Tap on it. It will auto-detect the language of the copied message. Set the desired translation language below. In this way, you can translate WhatsApp chat messages anytime, anywhere. And that's it. How to translate WhatsApp chat messages in all languages. If this video helped, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.